The Book of Psalms. Psalms 86. King James Version. Bow down thine ear, O Lord, hear me, for I am poor and needy. Preserve my soul, for I am holy. O thou my God, save thy servant that trusteth in thee. Be merciful unto me, O Lord, for I cry unto thee daily. Rejoice the soul of thy servant. For unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. For thou, Lord, art good and ready to forgive, and plenteous in mercy unto all them that call upon thee. Give ear, O Lord, unto my prayer, and attend to the voice of my supplications. In the day of my trouble I will call upon thee, for thou wilt answer me. Among the gods there is none like unto thee, O Lord, neither are there any works like unto thy works. All nations whom thou hast made shall come and worship before thee, O Lord, and shall glorify thy name. For thou art great, and doest wondrous things. Thou art God alone. Teach me thy way, O Lord. I will walk in thy truth. Unite my heart to fear thy name. I will praise thee, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and I will glorify thy name forevermore. For great is thy mercy toward me, and thou hast delivered my soul from the lowest hell. O God, the proud are risen against me, and the assemblies of violent men have sought after my soul, and have not set thee before them. But thou, O Lord, art a God full of compassion, and gracious, long-suffering, and plenteous in mercy and truth. O turn unto me, and have mercy upon me. Give thy strength unto thy servant, and save the son of thine handmaid. Shew me a token for good, that they which hate me may see it, and be ashamed, because thou, Lord, hast holpen me and comforted me. Small commentary. Psalm 86 is a personal prayer of humility, trust, and confidence in God's character. David begins by acknowledging his need. For I am poor and needy. True strength begins with honest dependence on the Lord. He appeals not to his own merit, but to God's mercy, goodness, and readiness to forgive. One of the most powerful requests in this psalm is this: unite my heart to fear thy name. A divided heart is unstable. A united heart walks in truth. David asks not only for deliverance from enemies, but for inward transformation. The psalm balances vulnerability and confidence. Enemies rise, the proud oppose him, yet David rests in this truth. Thou art a God full of compassion and gracious, long-suffering, and plenteous in mercy and truth. The lesson is clear. When trouble surrounds us, we anchor ourselves in who God is. He is good, He is merciful, He answers prayer, and He alone is God.